In this video, we will be solving this question which says Jonathan Livingstone Yuppie is a prosperous lawyer. He has in his own words outgrown those confining to commodity limit. Jonathan consumes three goods: unblended Scotch whiskey, designer tennis shoes, and meals in French gourmet restaurants. The price of Jonathan's brand of whiskey is $20 per bottle. The price of designer tennis shoes is $80 per pair. And the price of gourmet restaurant meals is $50 per meal. After he has paid his taxes and alimony, Jonathan has $400 a week to spend. With this information, we have to write down the budget equation for Jonathan, where W stands for number of bottles of whiskey, T stands for number of pairs of shoes, and M stands for number of gourmet restaurant meals that he consumes. So we have three goods that he is consuming: bottle of whiskey, tennis shoes, and meals in gourmet restaurants. According to the question, W stands for number of bottles of whiskey he consumes, T stands for number of pairs of tennis shoes, and M stands for number of gourmet restaurant meals. In line with this, let PW represent the price of one bottle of whiskey, PT represents the price of one pair of tennis shoe, and PM represents the price of one gourmet meal. According to the question, PW is nothing but, or the price of whiskey is $20 per bottle, PT or the price of one pair of tennis shoe is $80, and PM, that is the price of gourmet restaurant meal, which is $50 per meal. Along with that, he has $400 to spend a week. That means his income, let us represent it by I. So your I is 400. Now with this information, let's write your budget equation, which is nothing but amount on consumption should be equal to income. He is consuming three goods which are W, T, and M, and this should be equal to I. Amount spent on whiskey would be PW multiplied by W. Amount spent on tennis shoes would be the number of tennis shoes multiplied with the price of tennis shoes, that is PT multiplied by T. Similarly, this would be PM multiplied by M. Now substituting the values of PW, PT, PM and I would be able to get my desired budget equation. Now note that this case has your three commodities, but everything goes just like your two commodity case. You're only extending the two commodity case to a three commodity case. Everything remains the same. So your PW is 20 W, PT is 80 multiplied by T, plus PM is 50 multiplied by M is equal to 400, which is your I or income. Thus 20W plus 80T plus 50M is equal to 400 is nothing but your budget equation. Now moving on to the next part, we have to draw the three-dimensional diagram to show his budget set and label the intersections of the budget set with each axis. Now, if you recall what we used to do in your two commodity case, we used to calculate the intercepts by keeping the value of one good as 0 and then joining those two distinct points to get a desired line. We will use the same approach here, but instead of a line, now you will have a plane, as this is a case of three commodities. Let's first keep W 0 and T 0. If my W is 0 and T is 0, then my equation would be 50M is equal to 400 or M is equal to 8. Secondly, let's keep T is equal to 0 and M is equal to 0. So if you have T is 0 and M is 0, your budget equation would be 20W is equal to 400 or your W is equal to 20. Now lastly, let's keep W is 0 and M as 0, which means my equation would be 80T is equal to 400 or T is equal to 5. Let's keep W on the x-axis, M on the y-axis and T on the z-axis. So my coordinate will take a form of W, M and T. Thus I will have points as 0, 8, 0. From this I will get 20, 0, 0, and from this I will get 0, 0, 5. Now let's plot these 3 points on each axis as this will be a point on M axis, this will be a point on W axis, and this will be a point on T axis. And with these 3 points, when you join them, you will be able to get your 3-dimensional diagram. So your diagram will look like this. Now note that on M axis, everything else is 0, that is T is 0 and W is 0. So you will get a point as 8, and the point will be of the form 0, 8, 0. Similarly, you will have a point like 0, 0, 5, which is this point, and 20, 0, 0, which is this point. So when you join these 3 points, you will get your desired diagram. Now this might seem a little bit tricky, but just keep one thing in mind. All you have to do is just calculate the intercepts. That is, apart from 1, keep all other values of the variables as 0 and calculate the value of your desired variable, which would be your intercept. In case of 2 goods, we were keeping the value of 1 good as 0. In case of 3 goods, we will be keeping the value of 2 goods as 0. And in case of 4 goods, we will be keeping the value of 3 goods as 0, and likewise to calculate the intercepts. And then all you have to do is to then join these intercepts and get your desired figure. Now moving on to the next part, which says, suppose that he determines that he will buy 1 pair of designer tennis shoes per week. What equation must be satisfied by the combinations of restaurant meals and whiskey that he could afford? Now note that the question is saying that he will buy 1 pair of designer tennis shoes per week, which means your T is equal to 1. So let's substitute this value of T into this equation. That would be 20W plus 80 multiplied by 1 plus 50M is equal to 400, or 20W plus 80 plus 50M is equal to 400, or 20W plus 50M should be equal to 320. So this is the equation that must be satisfied by the combinations of restaurant meals and whiskey that he can afford if he is buying 1 pair of designer tennis shoes per week, which is this equation.